Hello, my dear students. Now we are having one question related to one dimension motion. And in this question, a particle start from rest with the uniform acceleration. If its velocity after n second is v, the displacement of the particle in the last 2 seconds. So if you want to find the displacement in the last 2 seconds, then what you can do? You can find you can find the displacement up to n second. Okay, so let us consider this particle is starting from t equal to 0, is starting from t equal to 0. Okay, it is starting from t equal to 0 and moving up to t equal to n second, and this distance covered in this n second, let us consider it is as n. Okay, it is the distance covered in n second. And if we are finding the distance covered in n minus 2 second, okay, distance covered in n minus 2 second, and the last 2 seconds, this will be the distance covered in last 2 seconds, that we are considering delta s. So from this diagram, it is clearly visible this delta s is equal to distance covered in n second minus distance covered in n minus 2 second. So we will get the distance covered in last 2 seconds, or you can say displacement in last 2 seconds. Okay, so if we are just using second equation of motion, that is t, means displacement in t second is equal to ut plus half at square. But here the initial velocity equal to 0, u equal to 0 in the question, because it is starting from the rest. So this st can written as half at square. Okay, so this sn can written as half an square minus Sn minus 2 can written as half a n minus 2 whole square. Okay, so if we are solving it this equation further, so we have to take common a by 2 from these two terms, and we will get n square minus n minus 1 whole square n minus 2 whole square inside the bracket. Okay, now we can open this n minus 2 whole square. So this a by 2 in the bracket n square minus n square. Okay, this n minus 2 whole square will be n square minus 4n plus 4, and we are multiplying this negative sign inside also. So we will get plus 4n minus 4. Okay, this n square will cancel out, and this delta s is given as will be equal to a by 2, and in this two term, last two term, we can take 4 as common. So in the bracket we will get n minus 1. So finally we are getting 2a into n minus 1. But in our question this a is not given. But the condition is given that the velocity in n second is equal to v. So we can find the value of a from this condition. So we can use first equation of motion, that is v equal to u plus a, and t equal to n given in the question, and u equal to 0. So v equal to a n. So we can find the value of a, which is v by n, and this value we can put in this our expression of displacement in last 2 seconds. So we will get delta s, we will get this delta s is equal to 2 into v by n into n minus 1. So if we are checking the given options, this option number 1 is option number a is clearly our answer. Thank you very much.